Okay, what is a movement type? Now, this is a question that's typically asked either in material account determination, OBYC, or it's asked as a standalone question. What is a movement type? Where is it configured? OMJJ. Or it's used in the context of a schedule line, because it's the schedule line at the sales order level that determines what kind of movement type that particular line item can result in when you create a delivery. So here is how the cycle goes. There is a sales order. Let's say it's for the first line item 10 is a PC, okay, and that's going to be delivered on some date. And the second item 20 is a software that's not really delivered, but it's downloaded from your site. So in this case, this is a quantity of 1 and a quantity of 1. Now when you try to do the delivery, right, this results in a delivery, whereas this does not. And the reason is pretty obvious, right? It's a software, it's downloadable, you don't really need to create a physical delivery. Good. But what controls whether this can be delivered and this cannot be, or otherwise? The first thing is the item category, and the second thing is the schedule line. So this item category is associated with the schedule line. So if it is a TAN, the standard item category, it's associated with a schedule line called CP, the standard item category. And the CP schedule line category is associated with the movement type, typically either 601 or 631, or any of those 6 series. One is a typical standard movement, another is a consignment, and so on. So a movement type from a sales order perspective is determined automatically at the schedule line level because it's controlled and linked to a movement type, because it's already linked to a movement type. And when you actually do a delivery and PGI it, this is the movement type that's used. So by looking at the sales order, you can tell what kind of movement it's going to do during a delivery's PGI. A movement type is typically more relevant for MM consultants, but because we initiate or trigger the movement, we are supposed to know a little bit about movement types.